Hello everyone and welcome to our auction. This is Steve from Rumble Auto and I've got this 1995 911 Carrera 4 6-speed Cabriolet. I want to show you kind of the startup sequence and a cold start for the car. So on the immobilizer you hit this button twice. Now the car is ready to start. Clutch in. Car started. To see that all the lights work properly. Brake is now off. So there you go. Cold start and sequence. Happy bidding on this beautiful car. Thanks guys.